Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 2.4. In this we are going to learn division of fractions, reciprocal and classification of fractions we are going to learn. First problem, 14 divided by 5 by 6 our question. So here we have to take the first term as it is. Before take the second term, this division symbol should be taken as a multiplication. If we are interchanging the division into multiplication, this term definitely it will become a reciprocal. So you have to write 6 by 5. With the division symbol we can't do anything. We have to go for multiplication sign. We have to do the reciprocal of these two terms. So here 14 there is no denominator, take it as 1. So here numerator and numerator should be multiplied. Denominator and denominator should be multiplied. If anything there to cancel, you can cancel. Otherwise you can multiply directly. So here 14 into 6 we have 6 4s are 24, balance 2, so 8. So 84 is a numerator, denominator is 1 5s are 5. Next problem, so we have 4 divided by 8 by 3, here there is no denominator, we can consider as 1. So first term always should be taken as it is. Whenever division symbol you find in this problem, you just converted it into multiplication sign. So since it is converted into multiplication, the second term alone will become the reciprocal. This will become 3 by 8. So here 4 and 8 we have, both are having the common tables 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So here 1 into 3 it will be 3. Here 1 into 2 it will be 2. After multiplication also you can cancel, or you can cancel and then you can multiply. Both are give you the same answer. So the next type problem, one whole number and one mixed fraction is given to you. So the whole number you just take as it is. With the denominator 1 we can take. First I am going to keep the division symbol as it is. Why means that mixed fraction I am going to make it into improper. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 will be 25. These two numbers should be multiplied. These two numbers should be added. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 will give you 25. 25 by, here the denominator 7 should be taken as it is. So after forming a fraction, we need to go for the sign change. So first number should be taken as it is. So the division symbol we have to change it into multiplication. This term will become the reciprocal, 7 by 25. So always we have to change it into multiplication, then only we have to do the problem. So while we are changing the multiplication sign, only the second term alone will become the reciprocal. First term you should not touch anything. So 5 and 25 both will come in 5 tables, I can cancel. 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So the numerator 1 7s are 7 and 1 5s are it will be 5. So that is your answer for this problem. We'll go on to the next problem now. Next type of the problem, first one is a fraction, next term is a whole number. So whenever whole number is given to you, you have to take the denominator as 1. That's it, very simple. So first term you just take down as it is. Division symbol we have to change it into multiplication. So the next term will become reciprocal. 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. Direct multiplication. 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6. That's it. Again another combination, one mixed fraction and one whole number is given to you. So first we have to change the mixed fraction into the improper. These two numbers should be multiplied. These two numbers should be added. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 will give you 31. 31 by denominator 7 we have to take. And divided by, here actually 7, denominator 1 is there, actually 7 by 1. Now after converting the mixed fraction into improper, we have to go for the sign change. This division sign I am going to change it into multiplication. So the first term will come as it is. 31 by 7 will come as it is. Division became multiplication. Because of this, the second term alone will become reciprocal. 1 by 7. So 31 1s are 37. 31, 7 7s are it will be 49. So that is your correct answer. So again the fourth problem also the same type. But they have two different fractions. We have a division sign again. So we have to take 2 by 5, first number as it is. This division will become a multiplication. 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. Since that sign changed, this number also will get changed. So nothing there to cancel. So 2 2s are 4. 1 5s are it will be 5. That is your correct answer. Next one problem. One mixed fraction, one fraction is given. Mixed fraction you just change it into improper. So this is a multiplication, this is addition. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. 7 by 3 divided by, here we have 3 by 5. So after converting we are going for multiplication. So the first number you write as it is, division symbol will become multiplication, this term will become reciprocal, 3 by 5 will become 5 by 3. So 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are, it will be 9. So that is your final answer. We'll move on to the second problem now. So both are mixed fraction is given. Let us change it into improper first. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 will be 16. So 16 by 5 is this fraction. Keep this symbol as it is now. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 will be 5. 5 by 3. Now the division we have to change it into multiplication. That is 16 by 5 will come as it is. Division will become multiplication. Since we changed the sign, second term alone will get the reciprocal. That will become 3 by 5. Now nothing there to cancel. We can multiply directly and we can write the answer. So 16 3s are, so here 8 and 4 48 divided by 5 5s are, it will be 25. That is your final answer. We'll move on to the second problem now. So this is our second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as a proper fraction, improper fraction or a whole number we have to identify. First we must know that what is meant by reciprocal. Reciprocal is nothing but we have the numerator by denominator as a fraction. Always a number which is coming, the upper part is a numerator, denominator is the part which is coming down. Now reciprocal of this term will become denominator by numerator. That is the term which is given in the down part, that will go up, then the part which is a numerator, it will come down. That place will get changed. Suppose a by b I am having, so you have to write it as b by a. Actually they are not equal. Reciprocal of a by b, we have to take it as b by a. So that is the concept. Suppose only one number is given, number 5. What is the reciprocal for number 5 they are asking? Reciprocal of 5, it will be what? There is no denominator is given, right? For any whole number, the denominator should be taken as 1. So 5 by 1, the reciprocal will be 1 by 5. So this is a pattern we have to follow. Now you must know what is meant by proper fraction, what is meant by improper, and what is meant by whole number. Now here proper means, children, very easily we can remember proper, improper and whole. Whole number, by looking at the number you can say that which is a whole number you can identify. Proper and improper alone you must know that. 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. Out of 7 chocolate you can eat the 3 chocolates, right? The denominator should be big. Denominator should be big and the numerator should be small. Out of something, out of 100 you can score 90 marks, right? So this is possible. Something is possible, it will come under proper fraction. Improper means they will be giving you 7 by 3. Out of 3 you cannot get 7, right? So this is a improper. My denominator will be the small number, my numerator will be the big number. So this is called improper fraction. So here suppose they have given 100 out of 90. So I am conducting test for 90. Is there is any possibility to score 100 marks? Not possible, right? That will come under improper, you can say. So the denominator when it comes small, that will be improper fraction, which is not happen for your test mark. You can keep it in your mind. This is not possible in your test paper, right? That is improper. So which is possible in your test papers, it will be the proper fraction. You can keep it in your mind. Now we'll go to the problem now. So here 3 by 7 is given. First we need to write the reciprocal. For 3 by 7, what is our reciprocal? Only the denominator will go up. So 7 will become a numerator. The 3 will come down. Only the order alone it will get changed. 7 by 3, it's a proper or improper we have to say. Definitely it is an improper fraction. Because out of 3 you cannot get 7 at all, right? So we have to write it is an improper fraction. So 9 by 7 is my question. First I need to write the reciprocal. For 9 by 7 I can write 7 by 9. So out of 9 you can take 7, no? Something out of 9 part is there, you can take 7 part. Obviously it will be. So that is a proper fraction. So proper you have to write. So 12 by 7 is my question. So I can write the reciprocal as 12 by 7 will become 7 by 12. So out of 12 you can take 7 also. That also will come under proper. So the numerator is small means that will come under proper fraction. You can keep it in your mind. So 1 by 8 is a number. If you take the reciprocal, it will be 8 by 1. Denominator 1 have no value actually, so you can write it as 8. 8 by 1 is nothing but 8 only. 8 is a whole number. So 1 by 11 is my question. You can write it 11 by 1. Again denominator 1 you no need to consider. It is 11 only. Again it is a whole number. So this is what about exercise number 2.4. All we have discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.